The single character which is input into the variable ch can be displayed on the screen using putchar, a function that is defined in stdio.h to display the value within ch. The value within ch is right now capital A. This can alternatively be done using the printf as %c, ch, %c being the format specifier for a character. This is the usage of gets and puts. So when gets is used in the place of getchar, it can be used to read an entire line which is followed by an enter key. So the entire thing that you key in until it encounters an enter key can be taken into the current line. Similarly, puts can be used to display the line that is accepted through gets. Arithmetic operation on strings. So this shows how alternatively arithmetic operations can be interpreted on strings. So x is a character variable which is initialized with a character constant a. Suppose we say printf %d x, since a is basically a character constant which is used to assign to a character variable, but now you are not using %c but rather you use %d. It tries to extract the integer ASCII value that is associated with the letter a, and hence we see 97, the ASCII equivalent of small letter a on the screen. X is equal to z within single quotes minus 1 is likely to display 121 on the screen. The reason being the ASCII code for smaller letter z is 122. Minus 1 results in 121 being assigned to the integer equivalent for x. Alternatively, these are few of the relational expressions which can be used on characters. ch greater than or equal to a and ch less than or equal to z is a relational expression to test if the particular character ch is a capital letter lying somewhere between a to z. Alternatively, we have x is equal to character minus 0. Here x is defined as an integer variable and character contains the character digit. In this case, the ASCII value of the character is taken. Here we have the ASCII value of 0. The difference of these two will be the value that is used to assign to the variable x whose data type is x. We also have a function a to I. This is ASCII to integer. Provided you give a string here, it is likely to convert the respective string to its integer equivalent. Putting strings together. These are few things which cannot be possible unlike the operations that we have on integers or floating point data type. So trying to add two strings would not work. Trying to add a string with a string constant enclosed within double quotes will also not work. So we have alternate means of achieving the same. So this is how the comparison of two strings would seem to be, but they would not be working. If name1 is equal to name2, but this is not possible. If name is equal to ABC, these things are possible with the use of the other primitive data types such as int and float, but rather would not be applicable with strings. So rather what is to be done is a character by character comparison has to be done with that of strings. So this is how we do. So while str of I, the first character of the string, is equal to the first character of the string 2, and as long as we have not encountered the end of the string 1 and the end of the string 2, we keep on proceeding to the next successive characters. I is equal to I plus 1 takes you to the next character. If str1 of I is equal to null and str2 of I is equal to null, these check if you have come to the end of both the strings, because individual characters at all the places have matched. It means that the strings are equal, without which